Here's how much it costs to develop your basement in Edmonton, and here is the breakdown. Oh. Framing is immaculate as Santa's sleigh for all the interior walls, bulkheads, and all that kind of good stuff. $4,800. Design is as sweet as Mrs. Claus cookies, including AutoCAD framing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and elevation drawings. $3,000. Millions of cookies to digest on Christmas Eve is going to require a lot of basement plumbing, and that's going to cost you $4,200. Shaw, Christmas is coming soon. Well, you're going to need some basement electrical, and that's going to run you $4,300 for about 15 pot lights, tons of outlets, and also you're going to get some wireless switches that you can hook up to Bluetooth. Do you like to breathe oxygen and air? Your basement's going to need HVAC, and that's going to run you around $1,500. What we're going to do is we're going to extend all the diffusers. We're going to modify the HVAC for the new plant, and we're also going to bring the cold air returns down to the floor so you're not chilly on Christmas Eve night. Insulation is very important when you live in a cold climate like Edmonton, and that's going to run you around $1,500 to replace all the vapor barrier behind here with new vapor barrier, fully seal it, and make sure your rim joists are sealed. It's drywall. I do not have anything interesting to say, but it's going to run you about $6,000 for your basement development. Taping and mudding is a lot like making cookies. All the icing and you spread it all on. Anyway, for your basement, it's going to run you about $4,000 to fully tape and mud all the new drywall. Paint looks great on a sleigh. It also looks great in your basement. It's going to run you around $4,500, and it might cost a little bit more to paint your ceilings. This wet bar over here is going to run you about $10,000 for your basement, and if you really enjoy it, you'll end your night flat on the floor. Vinyl plank flooring for your basement, about $8,000. It's going to be super durable, scratch resistant, easy to clean, and the kids love it. Tile in your basement, including the shower, including the backsplash on the vanity and the backsplash on the wet bar, is going to run you around $5,000. Fixing the subfloor because the builder didn't do it the right way, it's going to cost you $2,000. Do it the right way, builders. And the total cost of your basement development, Santa not included, this one will run you $80,000 with GST. But the number one thing you're going to get at the end of the renovation is this amazing gift, which you're going to be so happy about, you're going to absolutely love, and you're going to be inclined to be doing it all the time in your basement, is the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. And if you're looking for a basement development, definitely reach out to Priority Builders. We'd love to make your basement oh so merry.